If you want to take high resolution photos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, it is actually very simple. First of all, we're gonna of course open the camera, and let's say you want to use this photo mode over here. In that case, you can tap on this arrow at the top of the screen, or you can swipe down on the camera preview, and then over here we can find the photo resolution option. We can tap on that option in order to switch to 50 megapixels. This will allow you to take photos in a much higher resolution compared to 12.5 megapixels. Over here we can also tap of course on the aspect ratio, but I believe that if we switch the aspect ratio to anything other than 3:4, then we also switch the megapixel option. So you want to use 3:4 aspect ratio, 50 megapixels, and this should allow you to get the highest resolution possible. Now another thing is that of course we can also use the Pro mode. Over here in the Pro mode also we can switch to 50 megapixels, and also we can use the RAW format in addition to that, but that is of course useful only for those who are into editing their photos. Of course I'm talking about like a more professional or at least the amateur side of the photo editing, where the RAW format is of course much appreciated. Besides that, we have these parameters that we can of course use as well. They help you take great pictures. They can, for example, decide what should be moving on the photo or what should be blurred and what should not be, and so on and so forth. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.